All right, welcome to part two of the Trump account tutorial. As I promised, I was gonna show you guys how you will activate the account once you follow the first process. And once you go to IRS.gov, you're gonna look for Trump account, or you look for the form, which is for form 4547. I have a copy here, so this is what you're gonna do. This is how the form looks like. This information is gonna be about the parent or the guardian or any other individual that is authorized to uh, do it on behalf of the child. And you can have one child here. All you need your names, address, and then apartment number, um, place of birth, country name. That's it. And then you can have, if you have two kids, you can. If you have more than that, you can also use multiple pages. So this is, it's just one paper for the form 4547. Now, if you come here and you go to trumpaccounts.gov, this is what it's going to give you. This is the interface. You can download this on your cell phone, or you can also download it on your laptop, but this is what you're going to get on your cell phone. If your child was born between 2025 to 2028, Treasury Department is going to deposit $1,000 into the account. If the child was born and is still under 18 years, you open the accounts for the child, and then you do the contribution yourself. It doesn't matter how much you want to contribute. You get as it states on the website, it tells you that each child, American child born between January 21st to um, 2025 to December 31st, the account is fully in your child's name, and you are only a sole custodian until the child turns 18. So you just grow account by adding up to $5,000 a year if you want to. If you don't want to, the $1,000 is going to be there, and they will use it to invest on the child's behalf. So very easy. These were some of the examples that they use, and it clearly shows like um if you download it, you'll be able to play with the numbers, because if you can check in case you are adding $50 every month, how much you make by the time this child gets to 18 years, or if case you want to add 200 you can check, because it's they are using this projection based on the average annual returns, so on the S&P 500. So these are some of the projections that they made. And also you will need to add the contribution. How are you going to do it? Is it going to be your debit card, or is it going to be your bank account? So you will need to do that also here, add it, and then every month it will take. So they just, this is just about it. To me, I think it's just important, because once you open this, is for your child's future, and if you do the projection, you yourself are gonna know that it brings some good numbers. So even if you don't have to, you don't want to contribute nothing, and your child qualifies, I will still open and get $1,000, and then have the $1,000 um trade for yourself. By the time this child gets 18 years, you have nothing to lose. Okay, so this is just about it. The form is here, and if you go to IRS.gov, you can get it from there also, and then you come to the Trump account, and you will also have it from there. If you have any question, just go ahead and drop it, and I will take my time and also answer you. All right, thank you.